Basically, we are a food manufacturing company. We are packing recipe boxes that are delivered next day to the customers. You just order online, we supply all the ingredients to you and you cook it with your family and friends. We just expanded and we moved into the new warehouse. That is why we felt the need that the next step is to bring someone with expertise in improvement. This is how we get in contact with BS Handling, and we ask them to bring us a faster and more reliable packing solution. Being the first time we worked with BS Handling, we didn't know what to expect, so we were a bit in doubt if they're going to be able to deliver what we want and how we want. But this thought, disappeared after a few meetings with them, because we saw exactly that they are going to deliver what's best for us, not what's best for them. Talking about the pick-to-light system that we have implemented by BS Handling, it's a simple concept. However, it's very efficient. Even though we have experienced staff and they've been doing this for years, our error rate was still high because, we are talking about people and people are getting tired. So the main thing that the line does, it's scanning each single box and it's identifying the only and the right place that the box needs to go for the operator to pack. It's eliminating the bottlenecks, which clearly it's improving the speed. And the main thing it's doing, from the main conveyor, the box is being transferred to one of the 6 packing stations where the operator is going to be visually signalized on what slot and what amount of the kraft or the protein he needs to insert in the box. Once he is confident that he added the right items, he's going to then follow a double confirmation push button and the box goes back into the main conveyor. Error rate have dropped and our operators are confident that they don't need to check twice. And on top of that, to be even more confident, at the end of the line we have a QC station. So randomly the system, it's sending boxes to the QC station where our operators are triple checking them. So we are using the line for 2 months already, and even though our staff is still learning the way in, we experienced already a 30% increase on the throughput. After analyzing the data, we strongly believe we have realistic chances to reach 50% increase. In numbers, that would mean around 750 boxes an hour throughput. In terms of savings that the new line brought to us, during a year, it's going to become much more than the cost of the line, which at this level of production, this is an exceptional result. Besides the cost itself, that we're going to have a payback in less than a year, the cost of errors that we are avoiding, that's going to be added on top of that. So we can talk at least £100,000 more a year just by eliminating the errors. Yes, BS Handler delivered over our expectation. They know what they're doing. They are not, an ordinary company that just come, sell a product and go. So they showed us and teach us things that we weren't able to discover for ourselves. They came with ideas that might help us without us asking for them. I think that makes a difference when you want to build a long-term partnership, and that's what we have with BS Handling.